This video is going to be a front brake change on a Mercedes.
Just right. So let's loosen those off.
I'm breaking the tension on the bolts while it's on the ground so the wheel doesn't spin.
Okay, they're loose. Now you want to jack up the car. Okay, one wheel off. So when we're taking the caliper off, we need to compress this with a pry bar to get this clip off. Then after that we need to take this cap and this cap off for an 11mm hex bolt. There we go. And then let's try and get this bottom one off. There we go. In there. Right in here. So as I turn it, just backing those off. There it is. And then we're going to do the same to the bottom. What we also want to do right now is we want to get underneath the hood. We want to find brake fluid reservoir. Aha! Hiding right under here. So we want to take up the cap.
You need to remove the cap on the brake fluid reservoir so when you push back the piston on the caliper and the fluid goes back into the tank, that the air can also escape. Otherwise you won't be able to push back the piston.
There we go. So I pried back the pads with, there we go, with a screwdriver just to keep them, give them a bit more space. So we have a little bit of room. Still, this is heavily worn on this side. It cracks in both of those, but alright, onto the new ones. Much more material on these ones. We got the inner and we got the outer right there. It says so. So now what we're going to do, we're going to grease them up, but we're going to also push back the piston all the way so that we can get these on. That's the pistons pushed back all the way right there. So before we put them on, we want to make sure that we grease everything down properly. We have copper anti-seize for the back of the pads. So this was the inner pad right here, and the inner pad clips into the pistons right here. Just like that. Right here, we're just going to set on top. Okay, so now we're going to get our caliper and we're going to just put it right back over the top.
I like to add a little bit of anti-seize to the slide bolts also.
Next we want to put our caps on. There and there. And then we want to put our retainer springs in. Right here. We want to try and get this second one in. Okay, we're going to repeat that on the other side. Done. On this there is a brake wear sensor right here. So I'm going to remove this bolt to pull this away right here. Just like that. Okay. It just clips onto the pad right here. That little bracket right there. There it is. This just clips on and goes down in between. Just like that. Let's get our caliper back on. Let's put our glide pins in first so we don't have that fall off. Snug and tight. And our caps can go back on before we forget those. That bolt is an E10. Alright, wheel back on. Done.
Alright, that wraps that up. Tune in for the rear brakes.